Hello, my name is Kelly and welcome to this tutorial. So I hope you enjoy making this tutorial. If you do, let me know in the comments. Have fun! Start by laying the first 14 cords vertically on the table. Take the remaining 14 cords and arrange horizontally on top. Tape the cords in place. Using the most left vertical cord, we are now going to make a double half hitch knot. Now taking the next vertical cord, make a second double half hitch knot. Continue making double half hitch knots with all the vertical cords until you reach the end of the row. Using the most left vertical cord, make a double half hitch knot using the second horizontal cord. Continue doing this until you have completed your second row of knots. Continue making rows of double half hitch knots until you have 14 rows in total. Once you have completed your last row, remove the tape from your coaster. Once you've decided how long you want your fringe to be, add some tape and using your scissors, cut in a straight line along the tape. Remove the tape and repeat for the remaining 3 sides. Now take your fabric brush and brush out the fringe. I hope you enjoyed making this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.